I'm finally back, guys, with some more POV content. I may have said in my previous video that I was finally gonna showcase my other car, but I wanted to get a video out for the time being because I have been completely inactive on this channel for the past 2 months. But thank you guys for 300 subs. We're gonna be going on the highway today because I haven't done that yet. The past 2 videos were just kind of city driving videos, but I was actually driving this car on the highway the other day and it was kind of fun and exciting, and I thought it would make for a good video. You also got some birds out here. Shout out to whatever species of bird this is. I guess they're like seagulls or something, I don't know. I was talking a lot in the last video about stuff wrong with this car. I'm gonna walk around it because I haven't done that yet either. But yeah, I was talking about the transmission being wonky. I was talking about the steering and suspension being wonky. This car needs a wash, by the way. I haven't washed this car in almost a year, but that's okay because it's just a beater. It's just a daily. But a little update on all that stuff I was talking about in the last video. So I did get my car inspected recently after putting that out, and after they inspected it, I said to the mechanic, well, did you notice anything wrong with the... Oh my god, this guy is just completely sabotaging these seagulls. He just drove over the whatever these things are called just for that. But I asked the mechanic, you know, did you notice anything up with the steering? And he said tie rods. Now, I'm not like the biggest car guy or anything, but I didn't know that inner and outer tie rods existed, so I didn't ask him. But I bought some new outer tie rods, haven't installed them yet. I'm gonna DIY it with my pop, and hopefully it helps with the play in the steering wheel a little bit and makes my car steer a little better. But yeah, we're just gonna start driving. I'm gonna head towards the highway. There's some bird poop behind my door handle. Like I said, I need to clean this car. The inside is pretty dirty too. You know what's funny? I said that in my first video also. But yeah, we're gonna turn the car on now. It's already kind of warm. Might have gotten a little bit cold since I've been outside the car, but I think my car is fine. I probably could even go a while without replacing those outer tie rods and be okay. It seems like the outer tie rods are a lot easier to replace. It seems like the inner ones are a little bit more difficult, and I think usually the outer ones are the ones to wear out sooner, and they're usually the ones that you need to replace more than likely. I may be wrong though, and it might vary for certain cars, but that's just what we're gonna do for now, and hopefully it helps. But again, like I said, I could probably even go without replacing those outer tie rods or whatever, and I'm sure my car will be fine for several thousand miles. And I said in my last video that I wanted to start taking it easy on this car, but I was just driving this car the other day on the highway, beating the absolute crap out of it, and it was just taking it. And honestly, like, if I'm gonna break this car or beat on it, I might as well be filming while I do it. I mean, the goal obviously is not to break the car, but if it happens, I might as well be filming while it happens. We're gonna head to the highway now. I'm actually gonna move this water bottle. I don't like that it keeps making noise. I guess it's gonna make noise if I put it there too. Let me know in the comments what I should do with my water bottle, guys. Maybe I should put it in the trunk. I'll put it back here for now. We are approaching the highway now. Let's just see how this goes. I don't even think I've been on the highway at all with a GoPro on yet, but we're just gonna cruise and not really talk much. Maybe not cruise, maybe drive a little bit spiritedly. Was like full throttle. Some pops on the overrun. Might be able to hear it a tiny bit with the windows up. Well, with the windows down, you'll probably hear nothing. Feels like I'm going so fast, but yet the people in front of me are just like so far away, and it feels like, well, I mean, now I'm pretty close to the sky, but it seemed like everybody in front of me was going even faster than I was right there. I don't know. That's what you gotta love about these cars, you know? You could still be driving at legal speeds, and yet it feels like, you know, you're going like 200 miles an hour because of, you know, how much buildup there is. Yeah, this car does pretty well on the highway though. There is a little bit of wind noise, some road noise, but it's not bad. Get off here and turn back around, maybe do another pool or two. That felt pretty good though. This is a cool little section right here too, you'll see. Gonna have to slow down, or maybe I won't have to. No, I definitely should slow down here. We don't want to go off the road or flip the car over or something. Yeah, we'll full throttle it once we finish this corner. That was a really good shift. I'm surprised. This is full throttle, boys and girls. I was gonna get off the highway, but then I was like, let me do that first. Hold on. Never mind. We'll get off here though. This car may be slow. It may be sub 100 horsepower at this point, with it being over 20 years old now and having 120 horsepower out of the factory, but it's still adequate on the street, you know? It's fine. It does the job. I can't complain, you know, with this being a first car. Something feels a little funny. I think we're good though. What's that right there? Is it a Z06? Cool. Headed back to the highway, because this is a highway POV drive, POV vibe with BlakeGFilms. I think we'll do like one more full send. Actually kind of impressed by how well my car pulled coming that way, because that's actually where we were coming from when we did that full throttle pull, when I said I was going to get off the highway. But yeah, we're back on. Oh, there's an 11th gen Civic Si behind us. That's pretty cool. That's my dream car. I really want that car. He looks enthusiastic too to get on the highway. Let's see what's up. Oh, he's gonna smoke my ass. Look at this dude. My window did not need to be down for that long. Let's get behind this guy. Yeah, these are pretty good cars though. These Civic SIs, they only come in manual. You can get like 40 mpg in them. It's really the two main reasons why I want one. I think I'm just gonna get over and cruise. I said I was gonna do one more pull. I feel pretty satisfied with the outcome of this video. Or does that even make sense? Because I haven't even put this video out yet. That would be the outcome. Just because I can't help myself, I'm gonna do one more full throttle pull before I officially end the video. These right lanes are looking pretty open, but we do have cars around us, so it probably wouldn't be a good idea. Yeah, unfortunately, it looks like I'm not gonna be able to do one more pull. I said that previous pull was gonna be the last one anyways, but I guess I'll end the video here, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end if you did. Be sure to look out for more POV content. And 100% the next video will be of my other car. I'll finally be showcasing it in the next video. That video was supposed to be this video. And I meant to mention this in the beginning, but yeah, after I put out that second POV drive on my channel, I made like 3 more attempts at recording a POV drive and they just didn't really work out, including an attempt at making a video with my other car, my weekend car. But yeah, the first time I attempted recording, the SD card got full halfway through. I forgot to clear it, or I guess I didn't empty it enough, but it got full. By the way, let me make sure. Okay, I am still recording, that's good. My second attempt was like a week later, and the problem with that attempt was my GoPro randomly turned off before I ended the video. And then on my third attempt, when I went to make a video, it was with my other car again, but I just didn't really like the way it turned out. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Again, thank you for watching. Be sure to look out for more content coming soon. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for what you'd want to see on the channel. And yeah, be sure to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day or a good night, depending on when you're watching this video. Peace.